Checking CNC machine accuracy is crucial for ensuring consistent part quality and optimal machine performance. In the CNC machine tool industry, precision is a very important indicator. Then, the methods for measuring the accuracy of CNC machine tools will also be diverse. To check the accuracy of a CNC machine's positioning, assess how well it follows programmed coordinates. Using laser interferometers or rulers, rotary tables use similar methods. Checking angle accuracy at key positions 90, 180 to 70 with high precision encoders or circular gratings. Checking CNC machine repeatability involves verifying if it can consistently return to target positions. This is after multiple cycles. When checking CNC machine accuracy, it is vital to consider return to origin accuracy, which makes sure the machine reliably returns to its home position. Always verify return to origin accuracy. It guarantees the machine's ability to find home position reliably. When verifying the geometric accuracy of CNC machine components, precision measuring instruments such as dial indicators, machinist levels, and square gauges should be employed to thoroughly inspect critical alignment characteristics for optimal results. Measurements should be taken at multiple points across the workpiece or machine axis to ensure consistent precision. What are the general tools and techniques for precision inspection of CNC machine tools? Laser interferometers are often used to check the accuracy of CNC machines. They do this by measuring things like pitch, straightness, and linear deviation. These tools quickly detect servo backlash. They also detect gain mismatches and circular deviation. These are standard tools for basic checks to ensure repeatability or squareness. However, if the precision of the machine tool is to be more accurate, the following steps still need to be taken to achieve it. Start by stabilizing the temperature, cleaning the surfaces, and eliminating thermal drift factors. If you want to effectively check the accuracy of a CNC machine, begin the CNC accuracy check with static assessments, such as geometry and position accuracy, before evaluating dynamic behaviors. The machine controller was given input compensation data for pitch error and backlash after CNC accuracy was checked. This made the machine more precise. Finally, regular calibration and environmental management are also crucial, which are essential for maintaining long-term accuracy.